What happens if everybody in your organisation turned up to work excited and energised and full of life and solved problems and went the extra mile?
Your culture is only truly defined by the way you behave, not by what you say. And it just goes to show that the power of culture when you are down and out and outnumbered 6-1 can actually change things for you. We're all about taking that purpose and making sure it runs through your organisation like a stick of rock. Whenever 2 or more people come together in a group, a shared culture will form. Whether you explicitly define it, or whether it happens organically,